Okay, now there it is. It's recording now, but it's not zooming. Cheap, cheap shit. Anyway, I just wanted to capture the birds shot before I put up the iPad to take a video. There was a whole bunch of them flying around, uh, eating at the bird feeder. But uh, you know what? It's I don't know. Just just an assumption on my part. This the uh, the bird feeder is almost down to down to nothing, and only the small birds can get any food from can get any food out of it. But I've noticed that some of them, even the small ones, are are kinda allowing the bird seeds to fall on the ground, and and my suspicion is, well, I it's more than just a suspicion. They're allowing to fall the seeds to the ground so that the bigger birds who can't uh, access the upper portion of the bird feeder can also feed on the seeds that fall on the ground. Wow, that's that's I well, you know me. I find that amazing. But you can see the birds just fly out, in and out, and I don't know if this will be able to take it. No, it can't. There's my mother sparrow laying an egg in her nest. Ah, this is just I don't know. I'm just I'm just a sentimental fool. And there's a bird. I think that's a mother bird from the nest. She always liked to sit up on top of that branch, or sit up on top of the umbrella to make sure that none of these uh, other strangers come near her nest. But just heck, I don't have any TV, no Wi-Fi, no nothing. So I guess this is the first time that I'm really just thoroughly soaking it in. It's actually very cool, and you bet I will be watching this whenever my modem dies again. Well, I always watch them, uh, more than more than I care for, because it's just so pretty. Look at all those the pigeons. The pigeons are some of you will notice that later on, some of them will go right in there they are, right where underneath the bird feeder, and they'll be pecking on the seeds. That's why I said that the small birds are actually sharing their food with the big ones. Oh, amazing creatures of God. Anyway, while we're here, might as well just scan through the backyard, and oh, I will mention it again. There's my Palo Verde tree, uh, growing healthy, and I hope it withstands the the next blast of wind that comes our way, because the other half already broke off twice. the first time we got it we got it up and supported it with a well, and provided support so it doesn't fall. It came back to life, and then that was almost over a year ago. And just lately, less than a month ago, that broke in half after it started to sprout leaves and branches, and it looks just like this. It well, it keeled over from the winds. So I just now have half of the Palo Verde tree in the backyard. But uh, I just love the country life. You won't see this in the city. No way you can see this in the city. All these birds, different kinds of birds. So it's just watching them is already a beautiful uh, story in itself. Even without, well, words are not required to be able uh, to appreciate what Mother Nature can provide. All right, I think. Uh, what happened to all my birds? Where are they? Oh, there they are. They're down there at the ground, foraging for food. I guess I can refill that later on. But I just refilled that, what, 3 days ago? Hey guys, you're getting too expensive. Why don't you put a quarter every time you feast on the bird seed? Just put it on the bird bath. I don't mind. I'll dive in to get them. Anyway, there's another bird trying to go up. All right. Oh, 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 oh. Take note of the birds on the lower portion of the screen, and some of them are just flying by. Oh, so pretty, so pretty, and so calm, so calming, so calming. All right, over and out. Well, not over and out. I'm gonna keep quiet, so hopefully you can hear the birds chirping.